Hey Patrick, you ready to go race? Sure. I fixed up the old car in the backyard. Let's go. Okay, Patrick, this is our car. It looks so good. Yeah, let's ride it and... Wait a minute, what's that noise? It sounds like Swiper the Fox. He's gonna swipe our car. Where is he? I don't know, but we must look out for him. Yeah. Oh no, it's Swiper. Swiper, no. Swiping. You're too late. You'll never get your car back now. Aw, no. That was our only mode of transportation.
We can help with that.
Oh, thank you, Mila and Morphle. Look, you see, Swipers swiped our car, and we have to get it back.
Okay, Morphle. Morph into a car.
Oh, that's great.
Now let's stop Swiper.
Yeah. Get back here, Swiper. What the? Was that Swiper? Hey, Swiper. I'm gonna call the cops if you don't slow down. Don't worry, we're catching him. Hey, where you going, Swiper? I'm going to swipe your hat. Hey, why do my hat? Oh, I love this beautiful day. Oh, hey, kids. What are you up to?
We're looking for Swiper. Where is he?
He went that way.
Thanks.
Oh, this is the wrong place. I was heading for the grocery store. We caught you this time, Swiper. Oh, man!
You know you shouldn't swipe other people's cars.
There he is. When I was chilling on a bench, Swiper drove by at 3,156 miles per hour. I was gonna call the cops if he doesn't slow down. And he even swiped my hat. Swiper, I'm sorry to say this, but I'm taking you to court. Oh, man! Oh, man is right. Order in the court. I am Judge Brett, and today we'll be hearing the case of Swiper. Swiper has been accused of swiping another person's car, driving it at 3,156 miles, and swiping a cop's hat. Well, Your Honor, I really like swiping, so that's why I swiped that car. Well, Swiper, did you also know that swiping is also known as stealing? I thought so. Swiper, and if I hear that you swipe again, I'm going to send you to prison for 3,156 years.
Don't worry, Your Honor. We'll make sure Swiper doesn't swipe.
We hope.